Doing some sawmilling. I already did one cut here. Took the ladder here, cut down. When you measure off your ladder, this is the key. When you measure off the ladder, you got to come down from the top edge of your ladder and you cut down to the sapwood, through the sapwood. Whatever you get here, always remember to take a 1/4 inch. This is a key, 1/4 inch off. So I measured here to the top of the rail. It's giving me 6 1/4. Take the 1/4 off for your saw. So we're going to do 6 inches. So now I take over here to my sawmill and I'm putting my sawmill at 6 inches. Now I'm going to make my cut. This is going to be the second cut. And then we're going to get, I'm trying to get 2x10s out of this log. So here we go. We're going to cut. Make a cut. Comes out nice and easy.
Yeah.
Doing this with a bigger log. This is the end. This is more of an end of a log that 2x10s.
I was going to call you back and say, do you have a drink?